Hi, I'm Ava. I will be showing you how to 3D print with a Robo 3D printer. A 3D printer works by essentially extruding molten plastic through a tiny nozzle that moves around precisely under computer control. It prints one layer, waits for it to dry, and then prints the next layer on top. The plastic from which the models are printed is obviously hugely important. Matter Control is a 3D printer control software. It uses slicing engine called Matter Slice by default. Steps on how to use Matter Control in a Robo 3D printer. Step 1. If you have not downloaded Print, then you want to either make a print on Tinkercad or find a print on Thingiverse or Pinch. Once you have downloaded the print, you want to go to the File button at the bottom of your screen. If it isn't an STL file, then you cannot use it. Once you have that, you want to move it to the Quick Access Download files. Once you have that, you want to minus everything and go to the Matter Control thing on your computer.
Software nothing.
If there's something on the bed and you want to right click and hit clear bed. Next you want to go to the File button at the top and pick your print. Next hit open. Then you want to move it to the front of the bed. Should I scale it? Once it is on the bed, you want to move it to the front of the bed and scale it if it is too big. Hit use percentage to make it all 100. Then you want to hit a number and it will change them all to that number. If it is not too big, do not scale it, it will make it smaller. Then when you have your print, and you may have scaled it, you want to select the column icon if there is anything hanging over it. This icon is for supports, so that way if it's hanging, it is not drooping and ruined. Once you do everything, you select the print icon, and when all the selections pop up, you hit start print. After you have started the print, the bed and the extruder, aka the place where the filament comes out, will heat up to a certain temperature. The filament is the plastic for this printer. You will need PLA filament for this printer. The bed will heat up to 60 degrees, and the extruder will heat up to 210 Fahrenheit. When both of these heat up, it will then start self-leveling and calibrating. The printer has predetermined placement that prints 6 dots, which you will see. It's going to take a while to place the 6 dots. For it to place the 6 dots. Once it has placed the dots, it will then draw a thin border around the print. After it has drawn the border, it will then start actually printing the print. Now we wait and see how it turns out.
This is really bad quality. I'm sorry. Mine comes out clean. See? Really? Nuts. I don't know which one is next, dude. I'm like addicted to Pinterest, dude. Like, I don't have that many pins. There's so many pins. I don't think we ever finished actually time-lapsing it. My hat.
Hi, I'm Aiden, and I'll be showing you how a 3D printer works. Okay, to start off with, there are various types of 3D printers. For this, we will be using the Robo 3D printer. The Robo 3D printer uses a material called PLA. The advantages of using this material are that we'll believe that PLA is actually derived from natural sources as opposed to other products like ABS, which emits stinky gas fumes, so you don't want that. It's going to give you headaches. And using PLA actually has precise dimensions of the product you want to print. Okay, so the 3D printer actually works by first heating the bed to about 60 degrees Fahrenheit. So when the bed is fully heated, then the nozzle of the printer will start using the PLA to print the print of your choice to the best of its ability. The way almost all 3D printers work, including this one, is by layering. This is probably the easiest way to 3D print all 3D printers work, including. It's probably the easiest way to 3D print anything. It makes sense to start from the bottom and then the top, or else the PLA will be skirting everywhere. Alright, so first you have to turn the printer on. It's on, okay. And you go to matter control software, which is actually invented by matter hackers, and this is used for pretty much every 3D printer, and it's really efficient. Alright. So first you want to clear the bed. You go here on this icon and clear bed. Alright, so if you want a 3D print that if you want to choose which print you want, you go to Google Chrome. And then you search up thingiverse.com. And then for this, I'm just going to use Santa. Yeah, I use this one. Pretty cool. Oh yeah, one more thing. It has to be an STL code or else it won't print. So, okay, that one was wrong too. We'll use this one.
You aren't signed in.
Wow.
You aren't signed into the website. You
can't download because you aren't signed into the website.
What? Wait, this is what it did last time.
Just use one of the ones that are already on the computer. They don't really sell.
Okay.
So go back into Maker. Go back into... Just go to open file. Just pick the ones that they have there.
Okay, and then let's see what else. Okay, this is probably too big.
That's not too big.
And then you have to scale it.
It's already there. Now we've opened up 2. You gotta do the top one.
That's way too small.
Here, I can help you.
And that's it. Okay.
And then, wait. Separate it, like move it a little. There's a little one underneath it.
No. Okay, and then you can right click and then
And then it's at the
cut.
bottom.
That one, okay. Right, this is left corner. And then you print it. Start print. And now it would be heating the bed. This right there. It's writing the layers.